A really fun feature in iOS and iPadOS 17 allows you to turn your photos into a sticker to use in messages. Imagine family photos, pets, and other images as a sticker. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use this fun feature to spice up your messages with family and friends. Let's get started. Just a quick note that you can use your iPad or iPhone and the steps will be similar. Be sure the photo you want to turn into a sticker is located in the Photos app or Files app. So as you can see, I've opened my Photos app and I have a bunch of images of my kittens. And so I'm going to open an image. I'm going to open this image, and all you need to do is push and hold on the area of the image that you want to turn into a sticker. So I'm going to push and hold. Let me make sure I can push and hold on this image and let go. And you'll see now that you have an option to add sticker. And what you kind of see is a little white line hovering around the image of the kitchen, and then the pop-up menu appears. So now I'm going to tap on Add Sticker, and it immediately adds the sticker into an area that I can use on the Messages app. Now, if I want to do some more effects to this, I can tap on Add Effects to edit this image. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on Add Effect. And then you have, these are the image effects that you have. I can do an outline where it would put an outline around the image. I could turn it kind of into a comic. I could make it puffy. I could make it shiny. I kind of like the comic image, so I'm going to leave it like that. And now we have successfully turned an image into a sticker, and we've customized that image by adding an effect. If you don't see the option to add an effect, push and hold on the created sticker and choose Add Effect from the pop-up menu. So let's come back, and I'm going to go back. I'm going to close that out, and I'm going to make a sticker of the other kitten. So I'm going to push and hold. You'll see the little white line goes around them, and I'm going to say Add Sticker. And right now, let's just say I don't see that Add Effect image. I will go ahead, or pop up. I will go ahead and push and hold on the image, and now I'll get that Add Effect, and I can tap on that, and I can choose the comic, and then I can go ahead and tap on Done. And now we've created our first couple of stickers. To turn live photos into animated stickers, you follow the instructions just like we did with a regular photo, but it sometimes is a little difficult when it's a live photo because the animation begins to play as you're pushing and holding on the photo. So I already have a live photo up and available, so I'm going to push and hold on it, and hopefully I'm going to be able to get it to come up. Let's try that again. There it is. So it does take a few tries sometimes. Don't get aggravated. Just try it a couple of times to see if you can get it. And then go ahead and tap on Add Sticker. And here's the other thing about live animations. As soon as you add an effect, it removes the animation. So if you want to keep the animation, just leave it as is. And when you use the sticker, you'll see the live animation as part of the sticker. Stickers that you create on your iPhone or iPad will be available in the Messages app. And so I already opened up the Messages app. You can either start a new conversation or use an existing conversation. And all you need to do to add a sticker is tap on the plus sign, choose Stickers, and these are the 3 stickers that we created. I can tap on any of the stickers. It'll be added to the message. I can add my comment, so I could say, cute kitten, and tap on send, and that message will be sent. You can also add a reaction to a message that's been sent to you with a sticker. So if I wanted to add a reaction to where it says join my FaceTime, I'm going to tap on the plus sign. I'm going to choose stickers, and then I'm going to grab one of my stickers and push and hold on it, and then just drag it on top of that message and drop it. And now it's been added as a reaction to that particular message. So you can either send stickers or use them as reactions. The stickers you create will be available in many third-party apps, so feel free to liven up your WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook Messenger, and any others that will allow you to use the stickers. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and use Facebook Messenger. So I have a message in Facebook Messenger already opened. If I tap into the text field and then I tap on the emoji icon in the bottom left corner, I should see all of my stickers that we created opened and ready to use. I can go ahead and tap on any of them, and they'll be added and sent as a message to the person that you're messaging with. To remove or delete a sticker from messages, all you need to do is open up a message or open a conversation, tap on the plus sign, tap on stickers, and now just push and hold on a sticker, let go. You'll see the remove option pop up. You can go ahead and tap on remove, and that sticker will be deleted. iOS and iPadOS 17 offer an exciting feature that allows you to transform your favorite photos into stickers for use in the Messages app or many third-party apps, bringing a personal touch to your conversations. Whether it's a family portrait or a snapshot of your beloved pet, the process is simple and customizable with various effects. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.